today marks the beginning of the end for the Akufo-Addo government and the NPP as a political party, as far as the 2024 elections concerned. Just say NPP or Mahwiase Kesiye no a ewo animu a eba 2024 no enne na ayeye day efri ase. Wow. Na so far wo hwe senior 87.9 eniema no akwa wo hwe senior system ni nyina no ase it is rigged in favor of one candidate. Right from the times Omosha Asiye campaign, utimi hu say Nanado ne na pamfo bi akire se nipa ba ko bi ne epe. And all along, everything has been rigged in his favor. Na sa candidate ni Dr. Baumia nti ne me NDC we are expecting Dr. Baumia to sail through. But say Dr. Baumia nya bibia less than 80%. It means that he is still not popular within the ranks and file of the NPP. 80%. Unim. And ne aba amanfo ekoto aba no ye be 900 and something. Omo 1,000 kra.
Yeah. 961.
But main election no nipa more than 200,000 na ekoto.
Yeah.
Inti ne omo to aba no enru 1% of omo be take the actual decision.
Yeah.
Now we sika ye pru edia tan enrechi na Dr. Baumia will use bet hotel. O share party for opa me the pictures na ne bibia be sende wo. Otua 200 million per delegate.
Hey, Abass.
I'm telling you.
This is dangerous.
I'm telling you.
Ah, why na catch reo?
Akoma. Say asem no send your muchiche scanner epie ye no.
Nurudeen.
And enya me na me kan NPP fo no ana eka.
Ah, why na catch reo?
Me say apart from pictures no aye one say na ye say.
Ah, wo picture na 200,000.
Ah, your picture party for asan live constituency chairman.
200 saying.
12 titisika no. Nipa on say we no nipa na nhye dan no so. Enti constituency chairman or moto abane bi ne party for anka so mo wa abane Dr. Baumia use best hotel e wo sunwan 200 million nipa ba ko bia ne Ghana 20,000 na no kra nkoda state resources has been used by the Akufo-Addo government 87.9 to campaign for Baumia.
Did you see anybody receiving that 20,000?
Say bribe there bribe obi ani ho je bribe obeka ba yetimi koje bribe na asem no ayede eliki opa ye enye say MPP mu no there is a culture of silence nti no obi wa land crowd usuro so obeyi nanim for purposes of victimization but aspirants na bia ba bonten have had cause to come out to say state resources are being used in support of one candidate
or your vice president
Nansen ya Aboache Jako kan say omo koto so say we decide that was ye cheche e de magana fo omo de ye adwuma ne ye cheche
ne ya Aboabia Samoa ye Aboache Jako
ya Aboabia Samoa oye hwan oye Alan campaign spokesperson meboa e na Nansen ya nso e ya Greek minister o si say ye hu say o ye contractor kra na on support candidate ba ko bi usika kra ye mfa nye dey e ma hwe. There is a list I intercepted from Ashanti region. Wabra Dr. Baumia Ebaha. A regional coordinating council.
Send this list.
Mess forward the amount. Distribution of farm inputs to MMDAs in Ashanti region. Dr. Baumia Ebaha ni share that time o ade no mane Dr. Baumia Ebaha no koye dey. Ekoye pema Dr. Baumia be cheche said de wono ene de aye de aba.
Dr. Baumia na cheche ya na say
Dr. Baumia ba ha no a woye yi no. They took it in the name of Dr. Baumia. Officer we in charge of Sadia no ye gift appear. Officer in charge of stores. Me forward dia ma me dia kire.
Na regional coordinating country distribute.
Yes, aniema way tie
check the various district. Omo niema aba.
Me share that na ma asem o America na me build this sequence. Yenya one of the forerunners in the primaries. The spokesperson Amana Bekasa. And they check agric inputs any niema bia. In the name of one particular candidate. And yama make catch we the same agric input as some make catch we decide wom JC wom a Wellington boot me forward yama ofi na wabo boso na tie fo nso aye dey ate na forward yama oni me enu nyina authentic a copy of an authentic document ohwe baby to say Joshua. Yeah, the Wellington boot, baby to say Asante Achim, baby to say Asante Achim South. Yeah, the Wellington boot 1,250 pieces in the core. Yeah. Masandia Mounty, Kofi bet me. Jesse says some Akoma 30, football 100. With this side boxes 412. Enna cutlasses 50 boxes. Constituency be at the Asian and yet they call war mining
a district and a constituency.
Oh, check. Oh, here I will be. I think say a constituency by constituent. Mansia South, a woman there be
a district.
A district. But and no, I make catch you say this is the items are watch a Wabian Samwako to say a cha.
Akoma FM
87.9 one candidate. What you say? Nipa baako enya sika koto pickups, brand new pickups mako 300 abeche. Aduana ba say o ya we. O ya we aduana ba. So what the we mum.
Na obi election no akwa akoto ne pickups.
Pickups mako brand new high-loss pickup mako 300. Owo opposition no timi toss our pickups no. Enya me na make kan and net tape na wo boy no. Nipa o kasa ma lanche matin apart from chief hwan. What the other guy? Osejemfi. He said it.
Okay. We had Carlos Ahenko.
87.9.
Your car say NPP a party NDC.
Yeah. Osejemfi. Emmanuel Osejemfi.
Enti enne ohwe sene eniema ekono a. Enne sene ya campo election say ye ne campo obi a. E de na kire. O campo obi de ne bua mu ade na aye dey. Akoma no na say o campo obi because you don't want the other people to have access. But young NDC for there, you can say MPP for do no a omo gina no. Omo mu bia ni ho a na fene omampanyini John Dramani Mahama e wo BBM. Na omo mu bia omo be yini bia no. Omampanyini Mahama be bo ne frem in the 2024 elections. And o hwe eye ebre kakra ni aduana ba. Eye poster bia your friend Musa Dankwa a owo global infographics.
Yeah.
Bosumi bia oye poll the babontin. Aye August poll last a no chere ni wo metro. I want to be scientific. I don't want to be emotive or anecdotal. I want to deal with what the polls are saying.
Okay.
According to Musa Dankwa at August no.
Akoma FM 87.9.
NPP candidates omo nyina no. Ubia wo de ne toto John Dramani Mahama ho a John Dramani Mahama is far ahead. Obi ti say Dr. Baumia omode one President Mahama toto head to head no. Nationwide President Mahama inya 58%. Dr. Baumia nya 37%. In this year say the polls, the results of polls crown a year juma. I think say Ghanaians believe Mahama is going to be a better manager of the economy.
Among all the 10 now,
but I want to say, and the maker say, one say Dr. Baumia so na me focus more because he's the de facto flag bearer of the NPP. Bibia ni ho betimi asesa.
Oh sir.
Bibia ntimi asesa. Ye hwe peteta kremu no. Send ye see a reggae system no man and NPP for the Dr. Baumia, but not because omo free so you're competent o. Not because omo free say economy no ayede share nsa no waye ni ye o. Ba omo se Dr. Baumia ye kremoni. Tie ne utie Samia Wuku, utie all his campaign strategies no a. Asem omo kan say Ashanti region there. Sabi udu odwan be gina ho. Na wo de MPP flag kogu ne kon mu kra no a sabi Ashanti region for isan say ye hohoro ye nim kosoro nti ye be de ye beto. Enti de wo so omo ye ne say wo so omo konya zongo any sremu votes kakra de ye de e be ka ho. Na omo wo mo nsisiye mu no nipa a obetimi aboa omo ama omanya sa zongo votes no ye Dr. Baumia. And o hwe Dr. Baumia no aba Ashanti region be ye campaign no a. Ne nsem a no de nam no na ye 4. The first asem o kan ne say monto aba mame because me na dwoma masuro me. Monto aba mame because me ye kremoni me na zongo fo beto aba mame. Monto aba mame because esrimfo be dey beto aba mame. And for me this is an admission of failure by Dr. Bawumia himself say adia eno na MPP for hwe ya na say Ghana for hwe de to abama wo mo 2016 election said Dr. Bawumia economic wizard or be economy ni ye no. The fact that and Dr. Bawumia call rounds I want him can say me buy economy no my ye exchange rate na me se ma chene de ama IGP no ampa ene enko soro petrol bua na me se ne bo den no ene petrol aba fom ye me kai ye sa aban a obobosia bebre e de eto bebre begu ne manfo so no onima mamuo no na ye lazy man's approach no ampa me buy ma anye sa ne ma ni nyina. The fact that Dr. Bawumia is running for his own economic track record no is an indication of failure. And they say a religious sentiments in the Dr. Bawumia ye day eba ye say a chunru ho aye day ye mpam ne danta minim say after say o mawie enne na o masa call a year November 4th awie no we will sit down and delve proper into a year the economic track record of Dr. Bawumia. Ni ahweb say zongo fo and as en kremofo be kwa to abama Dr. Bawumia because oye kremoni ohwe 2021 population census no a en kremofo wa Ghana nyina ye population ye be 17 to 18%, maximum 21%, and a Christopher ye more than 60%. And this and Dr. Bawumia o kasa o ye kremoni nti en kremofo ento abama wa by parity of reason.
Okay,
ni awo kanso ne say John Mahama nso ye Kristo ni nti ye Kristofo enye dey
Amedi
enkoto abama John Dramani Mahama.
Okay.
Ebasa the issue of competence, integrity and credibility that should be the watchword of every voter no would be lost.
Okay,
What you say?
yeah,
Enti sa wo se wo yenkoto abama wa yankoto abama on the basis of the wetimi aye de waye wo ka say ampa yenko IMF no yanko ana wo ka say yi levy anase momo ahiafo na eye enti yemfa to anase yi levy embeto ahiafo so enne eto enna ahiafo so ana enja dua na de ye kan say
okay,
enne sane me kan ye no if Bawumia gets anything less than 80%, it's a loss for him. It's a victory with a touch of loss for him. Na me we nipa 5 amema predict ya
Akoma FM 87.9
Dr. Bawumia ne be utie Dr. Bawumia ene be dikan
okay,
na Alan ya bono fam from say woniska watoso mienu instead of Kennedy Japan no a Greek minister no never toso miensa.
okay,
A Greek minister no never toso miensa.
who's every
A Greek minister never toso miensa. Ena Boachie Jakon beba fourth. Second Kennedy Japan and free mu a Adriana Bounce have been very consistent say Kennedy Japan will be free mu now will be the fifth because omo free say Kennedy Japan egu MPP party no.
okay,
Omo ne the top hierarchy no and omo na ekoto aba no. Omo free say Kennedy Japan incite form for etia MPP party no omo na omo koto aba no.
okay,
Constituency chairman, regional executives, members of parliament enom ni ade omo na omo koto aba no. Ba wo Kennedy Japan ni base ankasa ni base eye form for no a omo ni votes e wo ne abatoom ni bi no. Aduan about ya say.
yeah,
Enti sane mre bia meka no ye NDC for de yete aboboa no ayeye dey ye twi ye bonto.
okay,
Obi bia MPP for be yi na ba no sane meka ye no 2024 he is going to lead the MPP to their worst ever defeat in the history of the Fourth Republic.